Cravings to Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed and today we're going to be making chicken fry. This recipe with a really simple name packs some big flavor. In Mumbai, chicken fry is usually ordered with drinks and I've been thinking about this recipe for a long time, and recently I saw this pop up on YouTube from Home Cooking Adventures. I decided to give my own spin on it and here it is. Before I go any further with this recipe, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. The concept of this recipe is to create an amazing marinade, almost like a thick pakora batter that's going to stick onto the chicken when fried, and this recipe is double fried. Let's start with the marinade. I'm first going to add the juice of a lime in my food processor, followed by a 1/4 cup of ginger, 2 tablespoons of green chilies, a 1/4 cup of garlic. This is roughly 5 cloves of garlic, but you can see how big my cloves are. A 1/4 cup of onion, and I'm going to process this till it comes to a paste, adding a little bit of water as required. I'm using 2 pounds of chicken wings today. This is roughly a kg, but you can also use chicken thigh or drumsticks for this recipe. Dark meat works best. Scrape all of that ground ginger, garlic, onion and chili out and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon each of Garam Masala, Cumin powder, and Coriander powder. I'm also going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Next, I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of chaat and follow that with 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Finally, I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. Now to this mixture, I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix this well and allow the chicken to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes. You can make these ahead and store it marinated in the fridge. This batter should be enough for whatever cut of chicken you choose to use. Once ready to fry, insert a batch into hot oil. I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of curry leaves just to flavor the oil. Cook this for 15 to 20 minutes till it's crisp on both sides. Keep aside and cook the rest of the chicken. Once done, just leave the chicken to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like to clean the oil before I deep fry the chicken again. Deep frying the chicken the second time makes it crispier. Here's another make-ahead tip. You can fry the chicken and make sure it's cooked the first time and just heat it to crisp up the chicken the second time. I could be wrong, but I believe the concept of refrying the chicken the second time came from the restaurants prepping the chicken and frying it a second time to heat and crisp up before serving. Serve your family and friends with a chilled beverage and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings to Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for chicken fry. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, and share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. If you love my videos, give it a thumbs up as well as leave me a comment below. I would love to hear from you. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.